Namaste. My name is Madan Kataria and I'm a medical doctor and a laughter yoga teacher. You must be wondering why I'm laughing. Actually, I'm laughing at nothing at all, laughing for no reason, and this is called laughter yoga. So I'm very happy that I was able to create a new idea of laughter yoga. But laughter yoga came to my life because I think I was designed to laugh. Going back to my history, I was born in a small village in North India, and we have a farming background. We have a farming land, and we were 8 brothers and sisters. And out of all the brothers and sisters, no one could educate, nobody was interested in studies because farming was our business, our work. So everybody was interested to engage in farming. But my mother, because I was the youngest of all the 8 brothers and sisters, so my mother had a dream that I should become a doctor, medical doctor. The reason was that in our village there was no doctor. For any medical treatment we have to travel to a nearby town and to see a medical help. So she said that you become a doctor and you will come back to this village to help other people. So I was brilliant in studies and my teachers were very optimistic and they asked me to send for a better school. So I went to a town called Firozpur, which was close to my village on Indo-Pakistan border. And I worked hard to become a doctor. And those days we had some financial difficulties even. So my mother had to sell her gold bangles to pay for my education. So that was very great support, because she said, you study, you don't worry about money. So I went to a medical school in Amritsar and then I became a doctor. The dream come true. So when I became a doctor, I was fascinated with big cars, big doctors, big money, so I wanted to become rich and famous. So I became very ambitious and I was thinking that how can I make money? So I decided to go to a city called Mumbai. Mumbai is a city of dreams for all Indians. And I traveled there and worked in a very big hospital called Jaslok Hospital. And while I was working there, I was also trying different ways. How can I make money? How can I become rich and famous? I was trying to get into Bollywood. I was modeling and I was trying to put up some industry, pharmaceutical industry, so that I can make money. But with no business background, it was very hard. It was very, very hard for me to make money. And the result was I got stressed. And stress was too much. I started my medical practice, and also I was editing a health magazine called My Doctor. So in that magazine I used to write articles on different systems of health, healing, wellness, and then I thought of writing an article about laughter is the best medicine. That was in March 1995. So, and after researching the benefits of laughter, I thought nobody's laughing, let me start a laughter club. And this is how the whole idea came to my mind to start a laughter club. Initially, I started laughing by jokes. We were only 5 people, including my wife, Madhuri. And people loved it. After laughing, they feel so great, so good. And but after about 10 days, we ran out of good jokes, and then people thought, stop this laughter club, because most of the jokes were negative jokes, hurting jokes, put down jokes, and then vulgar and sexy jokes started coming in, and people didn't like this idea. So I was very upset, and I told people, give me one day, just one day, I'll give you a breakthrough technology, how to laugh without jokes. So I had no idea, but I was going through different books and looking for idea how to laugh without jokes. So I found a breakthrough by reading an article about research which says that even if you act like a happy person, your body doesn't know the difference whether you're acting like a happy person or really you're happy. So that's great. I thought we could make laughter as an exercise. I'm like acting like a happy person. Just faking it, pretending it to be happy, it releases the same happy chemicals. And this is how we started laughing in a group for no reason. So we started for fake in the beginning. And then it got infectious and everybody started laughing, looking at each other. And then we blended the yoga wisdom, the breathing exercises from yoga, and laughter exercises, and I named it Laughter Yoga. And this is how the whole idea of Laughter Yoga came to be. But if we look back to my background, why Laughter Yoga idea was so fascinating for me, because when I was in village, when I was a child, we laughed a lot in the countryside, and I had no one telling jokes. I never heard there is something like joke when I was a child. But we laughed. The laughter was much more outcome of our playfulness. When we were playing with the kids, we were laughing and nobody was telling joke. I said, India is also a country of festivals. So we almost have one festival every month. And our marriages, our social interaction are full of festivities, rituals. And when we meet together, we laughed. And there was not necessarily anything funny to laugh. Still we laughed. And then I realized that laughter is something about being together with somebody whom you like and whom you love. And this is how laughing for no reason was actually into my blood, into my genes. We all laugh when we were children. And humor, jokes, reason for laughing is from your brain when you grow up and start to learn so many things. So this is how laughter is an outcome of your innocence, your childlike play, and does not need to be something funny. Because I read about a lot of research studies which says that jokes, humor is only a part of laughter in our real life. Most laughter is about being with the people, being with your friends. If you like someone, laughter just comes out of nothing. So people laughing in the cities and big metropolitan cities is out of something funny. Most of the jokes are like ridiculing somebody, putting somebody down, making fun of someone. So it's most of the laughing stuff is not really positive. It's mostly negative. But real laughter, I will say, is all about laughter of the children. So laughter yoga is all about being like a child, going back to your roots. So this is, I feel that I'm happy to say that laughter yoga is not a rocket science. It's an idea which we all practiced when we were children, and we forgot in the process of growing up, and we lost it. I'm glad that through laughter yoga we could get it back. So thank you very much for joining me. and laugh for no reason at all. It's so easy. Once you learn it, you'll never forget it. It's like learning a bicycle. So once you learn to ride a bicycle, all your life it's there in your wisdom. Bye bye.